Hello everyone and welcome back to a Nail of the Week. Stay tuned and see what I did. Welcome everybody, great to see you, great to be back doing another video. This is Nail of the Week and I've done another fall look. This one I did for my husband. My husband really loves pink and gray together. He loves that 50s look. It really brings it back. It's retro, art deco. He loves, things like that. He loves that look and he loves pink and gray together. So this design that I've done, my husband and I kind of picked together. Some of the nails, I liked the sponge look and he liked this art deco look, kind of like a sweater look. Really love the way it turned out. It definitely looks kind of 50-ish and I love the pink and gray together as well. You can't get a better color than those two together. So, and I have done this one matted. My husband loves matte nails, so he also wanted it to be matted. So I really hope he enjoys this look. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Let's get started on it. God bless, take care, and I will see each and every one of you in my next video. Hello everyone. So here's what I decided to go with for this week's nail design. A beautiful gray and pink look with kind of a retro art deco look on the middle nails and studs. If you'd like to see how I did this one, continue watching. Hi everyone and welcome back to Nail of the Week. Doing another beautiful fall look for you guys. For starters here, I've got some pink nails and some white nails. And those ones that I used was this one here. It's the Kiss Gel at the Dollar Tree, a wonderful polish. That one is called Dream Fit. And then the white one was by the Nuance, I believe it is. And it is called White Jasmine. And then I will be sponging. Sorry, I got a little bit of paint on my fingers here still. I'm going to be sponging with these two colors, gray and pink. I'm doing this one for my husband, this look. He absolutely loves gray and pink together. He loves that 50s look. That retro look. He really loves the gray and the pink together. So I'm doing a look with both sponging, and then the white nails are going to be a different design. This gray one here is called Pitapat. So they're both really beautiful, and I love the gel polishes by Kiss. They are just absolutely wonderful. And then on the white nails, I'm going to be working with both Robin Moses's brushes. I'm going to be doing her wand and her unicorn, which is that long one there, because I am going to be working with acrylic paint to do the design. So I'm going to be working with this here, but I'm going to bring it down to be this shade of pink. I'm going to add in the white. And then I also will be using black and adding in white to make the gray. And then the part where I'm going to be using the longer brush of hers, the unicorn, I'm going to be striping in with my micro glitter, the silver, and I'll be adding in just a base or top coat into it, just to clear, mix it around. And I'm going to be using her long unicorn brush to go through the design, and I'll show you that as I go along. But the other nails, I'm going to start sponging with those, and I'm just working with a makeup sponge. I get mine from the dollar store, and because my nail is longer, I'm going to do it on this side, because some people can do this side, but my nail isn't long enough, as you see, to do that. So I'm going to put the paint on this side and do it like that. And this is just a cheap dollar. You get a whole pack for $1, and they work great. Spray them with water because they really work well with that. And then I will dry everything up. Oh, one more thing I forgot. I will be putting studs on it too. I'll be doing these circles here between the two sizes, the silver. I'll be doing that in the design. I will dry everything up with my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat, but then I'm going to be matting this one because my husband loves matte finish. So this is the one, and this is just a matte top coat, $7.90 by the Revlon. So, but anyways, I'm going to get some of the sponging done, and I will return to show you guys what I am doing. All right, so I have my first coat of sponging done with the gray and the pink. I have taped off just to help with some of the cleanup work. I've left one finger open to show you. So here is my sponge right here. And I am going to do 2 coats, but I'm starting off with just one. And then the second coat I'll just do off camera. It's just basically the same technique that I'm doing now. So I am going to go across with the pink. Go to the pink and make sure you wet your sponges. They work really great when you wet them. Okay, so let me get some room here. And then I'm going to do the gray. And when I do the gray, I overlap the pink just a little bit there so you kind of get that cool color in between because they'll mix like that. Okay. And then I'm going to hold it here, flip over my finger, and I am going to, ooh, I don't want to get any of this gray on this white nail. Okay, and then I'm just going to go like this and like that a couple of times, and then I'm going to pat just to get that gradient look like that. And then on the very end, I'm going to go like that just to be able to get that on the tip like that. So that is the way this looks. I'm going to have to wipe some of that off. I'm getting it on the white nail there. But anyways, this is what it looks like. I am going to do a second coat on everything, and I will return with the next step. All right, I'm all done, and I've taken the tape off, but I just want to show you, I've already done most of the cleanup. Look at how small the cleanup would be. There's just a little bit there, so much better when you use a liquid latex or tape. Both work so good. The cleanup is just so minimal. So just wanted to show you that. I'm going to finish cleaning up, and I'll be back with the next step. All right, I am back, and as you see, I have got the gray triangles first that I'm doing on the nail, and I left one open to show you. Here is my plate here. I have mixed some white and black together to get that gray, and then I mixed pink and white to get that shade of pink for my nails. Got a little bit on my nail here, so I gotta wipe that off. But anyways, so I'm going to be doing the triangles on there, half gray, half pink. So I'm gonna start with the gray. I'm using Robin Moses's wand, and I'm just gonna dip in and just get it about halfway up the brush. And I'm gonna do I'm going back and forth with them. So let me dry them. I'm going back and forth. So I'm gonna do this one on this side. And I'm just gonna start like right here in the middle and come down. And then I'm gonna do that side and come down and fill it in. Let me draw this line a little bit neater. And then I'm gonna fill it all in here. I really love her brushes. They just hold so much paint. I love many things about it. It's pretty steady when you're doing work and all that, like not your actual hand being steady, just it really works, and I love how much paint it holds. So like that, let's see if that one's good. Yep, okay. So now what I'm going to do is get the pink going, and I will return to show you that step. All right, and now I've got the pink. I've left the one finger open to show you. But as you see, these two colors are matching my sponge nails really well. So let me dip in now, same process. I'm gonna dip in, let me draw it in for you guys. I'm gonna dip into this pink here, get it about halfway up the brush, about like that. And same concept. Just gonna, wait, let me turn my finger around, a little bit easier for you guys. So I'm just gonna draw a line down this way to match the gray, and draw it down this way, also trying to line up with the other one, and then fill it in. Getting it all around the edges and everything. Make sure you get your edges around this so you don't see the white. Get all around the edges there. And I'm just gonna kind of make it more of a point here. Make sure it's matching with the gray. Even if it's off a little bit, that's okay, but try to get it as close as you can. Let me get this line a little neater. And then fill her all in right there. Like that. So let me draw out here again. So there's what I got going there. Now I'm gonna go on to the glitter. I will return. All right, now I've got the glitter going. Isn't that pretty? And Robin's brush works amazing. First time I've used her unicorn, which is a striper. So I'm going to draw in here. And I'm dipping into the mixture I've made. It's right here. It is just clear polish and my micro glitter. I'm just gonna get a little bit on the brush here like that. And I'm gonna start by doing an X, and it's gonna go through the gray. So I don't want it real thick. So I'm just gonna put it down lightly and go through the gray here, just like that. Get a little bit more. And just go through your line again, right through right there. Then I'm gonna make an X and go the other way. So I'm gonna go like this, and now we're gonna go through the pink. Okay, make the line and make sure it goes through the pink. Bring it, actually, I'll just keep going with the line this way. So it stays, because her brush has got real control with it. That's what I like. Her brush has got a lot of control. Like I said, love her brushes. You definitely got to order these. Okay, then the next thing I'm gonna do is go through the gray here. Whoops. Go through, actually I'll start with the pink. Go through the pink here. Let me get in line. And now I'm just gonna go down and go through the white with that, like this and do another kind of like an X here, and then just go over it again. I love the control this brush has. It really is amazing. She talks about it having so much control, and it really does. Compared to the brushes I have, oh my gosh, it's just, it's amazing. My brushes just have no control at all. I love her control. So, gonna go through this way now. Actually, I'll come up this way just because I'm on film, so I just wanna just show you the control this brush has either way. Okay, we're gonna come through here. If you hear snoring, our dog is sleeping, not Minnie. This is our other dog, Rocky, my brother's dog, and something just fell on my table. So, but anyway, so I'm just gonna come back through here one more time with that glitter neatly through the gray and the pink. Isn't that pretty? It is so just like, you know, Art Deco, so 50s like, kind of like a sweater. I love the way it looks. So I'm gonna let this dry up, and then we're gonna go on to the, I think we're gonna top this off first. I'm gonna do the Northern Lights on these sponge ones, so it gets a glitter-like to it. And then we're gonna go over and dry it up with Seche Vite, and then of course we're gonna mat it before I put the rhinestones on, or the studs. So let me get a few more done here, and I'll come back and show you what I'm doing. All right, guys, I'm back, and as you see, I have changed the colors that were in the center on the white. I don't know why I didn't do this, but my nephew was saying in the beginning, why would you use acrylic paint? Why wouldn't you just use the nail polishes so you get the exact color? And I had to change it because the color looked like it was peach after I top coated it. So I did switch it and use the colors that I used in my design. So I used, where are they? The pink one here, the gel pink, and the gel gray. I used those two to do the center nails with the triangles, and then went back over with the silver. And as you see, it matches way better. You'll actually see the difference when you see the video prior to this and then to this one. So anyways, this is what it looks like shiny. I want to show you guys it's shiny because I'm going to matte top coat this one. Just wanted to show you guys, if you liked it, you could leave it right here. I am going to matte top coat and then add studs, and I will be back to show you the stud part. All right, and now you see all of them are matted now, and I really love the look. I think it's beautiful. I've done the studs in it. I've left this finger open and this one to show you. I am just dipping into, I've got a little bit of glue in here, and I'm using super glue. I'm gonna dip the orange wood stick, just put a dot right in the center there, and a dot right in the center there. Let me draw in here, and then I've got the little studs right here. I'm just gonna reach in and grab out a couple of the studs here. Get them turned over. These are stuck together here, so. All right, I'm gonna pick up the one to start with. Get it flipped the right way. It's always so hard when you're on. All right, pick it up. Probably should have used a different one. But anyways, so I got it, and I'm gonna stick it right there in the middle and give it a little push. Make sure your top coat is completely dry, the matte top coat, before you do this. Okay, and then the next one, we're gonna grab one more. Hopefully I can get one that's already flipped over. Yep, and I'm gonna put that right onto the glue right in the center tier, you know, too, and just move it over so you get it centered and give it a push into that glue. Now these are gonna take, you know, not hold as long because you're doing it on a matte top coat, but because there was glitter behind this one, they should hold a little bit better. But everything should be fine, and they should hold, because I only keep my designs on for about a week, and my crystals always hold. But of course, when I top coat with Seche Vite, everything holds well. Now, when you've already got your top coat on, you're only doing glue. That's why I use super glue this time instead of the nail glue. Sometimes I'll do that so they will hold. But that is the look here. I'm going to finish up here, and I'll return to show you the finished product. Alrighty, everyone, I'm all done, and I really love this one. It's so beautiful, just kind of more cutesy. I really like the way it turned out. I know my husband is going to enjoy this very much because, like I said, he loves pink and gray together. He loves that 50s look, and he chose part of this, and I chose part of this design, so I hope he will like it. I hope you guys will try this one out. Give it a try. It was a lot of fun and very cute for the fall or pretty much any time, but these nails here really remind me of something that would be worn during the fall time. So everyone, I'm sorry, take care, God bless, and I will see each and every one of you in my very next video. Good night, everyone.
You start start the year off